What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. Dividend Queen here. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video. On my channel, we share content all about dividends, passive income, investing, and everything in between. So if you're into this type of content or want to follow my journey, then feel free to subscribe. Today, we're going to talk about all of the dividend payments that I received in the month of June. My goal here is simply to grow my portfolio to $500 a month in dividends as a completely passive stream of income, inspire others to get started on your passive income journey, and to document this process for my kids. So without further ado, let's get into this. Looking at my portfolio here, we are at $6,878 on the day, up after hours of 40.46%. On the week, we are up 2.43%. On the month, we are down $43.13. Going out 3 months, we're still up 11.88%, $723.95. And on the year, we're still up 3.34%. Overall time, we're still up 3.34%. Now let's get into the dividends that I got paid for the month of June. All right, starting with Pfizer, you guys, we got paid 38 cents for 1 share of Pfizer. On here, we received $1.63 for owning 1 share of IBM. All right, and for 3 shares of ExxonMobil, we received 87 cents per share with a total of $2.61. Next up, we received a payment of 90 cents for owning 1 share of Honeywell. And for 1 share of Duke Energy, we received a payment of 95 cents. And for Southern, we got a payment of 64 cents for 1 share. Welltower, we received a payment of $1.83 at 61 cents per share for 3 shares total. And for Main Street Capital, we got paid out a total of $2.26 for 11 shares. For Archer Daniel Midlands, we got paid a total of 36 cents for 1 share. For 3M, we got paid a total of $1.47 for owning 1 share of 3M. And Raytheon Technologies, 48 cents for 1 share. For Prospect Capital, we got paid $2.10 for a total of 35 shares. And from AGNC, we got paid a total of $1.44 for a total of 12 shares. For Realty Income, we got paid a total of $1.40 total for 6 shares. And for Dominion Energy, we got paid 94 cents for owning 1 share. And from Ares Capital, we got paid 80 cents for 2 shares. And lastly, for the month of June, we got paid on June 29th for 88 cents for 7 shares of Gladstone Commercial. Oh, one more bonus payment. I've already sold out of this stock about a month ago. So yep, we still got paid 26 cents for owning 2 shares of Gaming and Leisure Properties. But this position is no longer in our portfolio. And that's it, you guys. That was all of the payments for the month of June. Thank you so much for joining in. Please like, subscribe, and I'll be posting another video shortly. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.